What's up guys, it's your boy Fashion FX. I'm back again with another video of weekly update. So today's date is 1st of February 2026 on Sunday. So we're going to look at DXY, EURUSD and USDJPY. So first thing first, what I usually do when I get to the chart, I go to monthly time frame because I like to do top-down analysis. So I can see that on monthly time frame we had a high here and we had a low here. So it's clear that the market is playing around these two levels, a high and a low. So let's see what has been happening around this level. So around this level you can see that we had a clear uptrend. As we take out our trend line here, there, so we can see that we had a high, we had another high here, we had a low, another high, so at this moment I'm not sure if there's a low. We might go lower or we might continue to the upside. So what I will look at after seeing the trend, after seeing where the market is right now, I go to weekly time frame. Oh, sorry guys, I have flu today. I'm just forcing to record this video just to give you analysis, guys, you know. So as we know that we had an uptrend here, this might be a low and we continue to the upside. So let's get right into it and see. As we analyzed that we had a high here, a low, a high, a low, and a high, and a low. So sorry guys. So we are not sure if ever we're going to the upside or ever we're going to the downside. But what we know right now is we are playing around this level. We are playing around this level. So what we can do is see what has been happening around this level. Created a high, then after creating that high, went to the downside. So there's a low and there's a high here. Yes. So you can clearly see, guys, from here we drop down to this level and it gave us our ranging market, and then it tried to break. It was unable to break, to hold this level and continue to the upside, so it went back to our range. So whenever it goes back to our range, what do? We continue with the trend. As they say, there's a saying of a trend is your friend. Then we continue to the downside up until we break this level. And then did it hold? Yes, it did hold. After break, we had a retest and then we went to the downside, and then we created a range here again. So for me, this might be a continuation pattern here on this level. For me, this might be a continuation pattern. This might be a continuation pattern. A continuation pattern to the downside. On the direction pattern, we have continuation pattern and a reversal. Continuation pattern happen when a trend continues with its own direction. That's a trend continuation. Trend reversal. A reversal pattern, let's say a market is going to the upside, creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and then it creates equal highs. So from here, what you will usually do, you will mark out these levels, because whenever the market comes here, you're silly. Whenever the market comes here, you're silly. So for me, this is what has been happening here. This is the same scenario. This is the same scenario. So we can remove all the drawings and then create our levels just like we created them before. Then this our other level. Sorry guys. Then we go to daily time frame. On daily time frame, what do we have? We have this level here. So you can see the market was creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and it created what? A double top. So this was clearly a reversal. Because it broke, came back to this level and retested. So now we're looking at the current market. So let's go back to this level that was violated and take out our fib level and see if ever we are correct. Sorry. Definitely this is our 50% level. So we know the market want to reach this level. You know the market want to reach this level because it's our 50% of this fall off from this point. Continuation pattern, yes sir. So another thing I'm seeing here, it's a confluence again. I'm seeing a head and shoulder, and a head and shoulder is a reversal pattern. Let's go to 1 hour and see it clearly. So this is a head and shoulder pattern, guys. Inverted head and shoulder pattern. Put my entries right here. Wait for the market to come back, retest on this level. So the market will retest from this level, come here and then go to the upside. This is what I'm seeing on DXY, and then when it comes here, what I'm going to do, going to sell, because I know this is my 50% level. Stop loss is right here. Yes. So for now, we are looking for buys on DXY. So I know my entries, I know my stops, I know my conditions, I know my take profit, my target. So I'm good to go. Euro USD. Let's go and check Euro USD, delete everything, 1 month. Then from here, let's check USDJPY first. Yes, because after monthly time frame, yes. So on monthly time frame, we can see that we had this high level. We had this high level and we had this low level. The market is still playing around this level. So it's the same thing that's happening on DXY. Yes. Because on monthly time frame, DXY was on a downtrend up until it created a high level, the same as this one, and then retested from these levels to the upside. So as we know that this is our highest level, we have to mark it because this level is important. It might retest from this level and come back to this level here. That's when it might sell from here to here, because it never retested ever since it broke this level. But we have to have confluences. Weekly time frame, then on weekly time frame we see that we had our resistance here, our support, and then we had our resistance here. So the market has been playing around this level. On this level we see the direction, or on an uptrend, up until we violate this level, up until we violate these levels. Then let's go to daily time frame, look for an entry. I'm gonna take out my fib level, look for a 50%. Exactly right here. Can delete this one. Delete. So the market will come and sell. Will come to this level and retest again. Cause why? We broke this level. Second confluence. After breaking this level, we are looking for a retest, either this level or this level. Either way, we are going to catch the movement because we already know the direction. Then we remove everything. I hope you can see this, guys. So this head and shoulder again on USDJPY, and we had this head and shoulder again on DXY. This is the same head and shoulder. So the trick about analyzing DXY is that whenever Euro USD, or let me try to explain it in a simplest way. So we have I think this is going to be simple, guys. So we have sorry, text here. We have DXY. We have DXY here, and then we have text, yes, USDJPY. We can clean this one. Clear. Sorry. I'm trying to show you guys the trick of, like, the skill of analyzing DXY and the benefits of analyzing it. So when you analyze DXY, you know that DXY goes with USDJPY on the same direction, and it goes with EURUSD on the opposite direction. How? Let me show you this. XAU. GPE. So I hope this example makes sense, guys. So what do we have here? We have DXY, and DXY, it says it's going to the upside. So basically we are buying every pair that starts with USD. If it's saying it goes to the downside, you are going to sell each and every pair that starts with USD. Let me repeat that again. DXY, when you analyze DXY and it says it's buying, you are going to buy every pair that has USD as a base currency. You are going to buy each and every pair that has a USD as a base currency, and then you are going to sell each and every pair that has USD as a code currency. Sell. And then DXY says it's silly. You are going to sell because DXY is the strength of dollar. So if it's USD against JPY, it means for every USD, for one USD, you get, maybe let's say the price of Japanese yen is 1.04. Then you know from there you are going to get 1.045 how many USDs. And if it says euro to USD. It means for every 1 euro, you're going to get, let's say it's 1.0369, or according to the price. So I wanted to show you this to understand why I analyze DXY, because even on my previous videos I was analyzing DXY. DXY helps you to get the direction of each and every pair. So for now we know DXY is buying. Okay, we know USDJPY is buying. So Euro USD is going to sell, and then USDCHF is going to buy. GBP USD is going to sell. So that's how easy it is analyzing DXY. So we know here we are buying. We have to look for an entry on 1 hour. We can catch our entry right on these levels. Long position, yes. Then our take profit is gonna be here. Right above. One month. Say chart. And now you are on Euro USD. On Euro USD, I can say yes, because this probably the fake breakouts. This level was respected, was broken, was respected more than 4 times. So it's a significant level. It was respected. Respected more than 4 times. So it's a significant level. We go to, let me make my chart more clean. Highest level. On monthly time frame, Euro USD has been selling. Euro USD has been selling on monthly time frame. You can see it creating highs, creating lows, creating highs, creating lows, creating highs, and creating lows. We go to weekly time frame, see the chart clearly. From weekly time frame, I can say this level is important, and then if it's this one again, it's important. This one again, it's important. Going to daily time frame, yes. Now we can catch the right direction. This is clear, guys. We're selling here. Continue with selling. Continue with sales from Euro USD. because it's clear DXY is buying, then you are going to sell here. Maybe you can sell from up until here. 1:2. To what ratio? 1:2. Yeah, this is probably where we are going. Let's go in 4 hours and see where we can catch an entry around these levels. You might catch an entry here, wait for it to come back here, and then kill here. We're selling, guys. So let's do a recap. On DXY, we are buying. USDJPY, because of DXY is buying, even here we are buying. Euro, USD, because these two are buying, then we are selling here. So this is my analysis on DXY, USDJPY and EURUSD. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe, like my videos, hit the notification bell so that when I drop more videos you get notified. Thank you.